Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPress tutorial videos for LearnPress. In this video, I will guide you step by step how to use Paid Membership Pro add-on for LearnPress. This add-on allows you to create subscriptions for better management of learning and budget needs. You can set different levels of membership or subscription and the courses inside each level. Then students can be allowed to buy courses individually or only via membership levels. At first, you need to have the add-on ready to use by installing and activating through dashboard as usual. After activating a tab, memberships will be added to your dashboard. Go to Memberships, Membership Levels. Click Add New Level or choose any existing level that you want to modify. You can add name, description and confirmation message of the membership level. Then, in billing details, remember to set a price for that level. If you leave it empty, this membership will be free. You can also set up expiration for the membership level by tick on this box, set the duration. Then, scroll down to Courses Settings, assign the course to be available for this membership level by typing the name or code of the courses like I'm doing now. Remember that a course can be assigned to different membership levels. And remember to save level. Then, go to Dashboard, LearnPress Settings. Click Tab Memberships. You can enable, disable, always buy the course through a membership. To enable a membership page, please go to Memberships menu. Choose Tab Pages setting. Set the page for each page like I did here. Click Save Settings. Then, you'll see the membership page by clicking View Page. With different WordPress theme, the style will be different. I am using Eduma theme so you can see the page like this. From now, every user can pay for the membership level that they want through the membership page. Well, that's all about Paid Membership Pro add-on for LearnPress. Hope you will find it is easier to use. Please like and subscribe if this video is useful for you and if you want to get more tutorial video from us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial videos.